Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Instagram data using download your information easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Visit the Instagram website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find the Data Download section. Click on the Request Download button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email associated with your account. Next, choose the format for your download, either HTML or JSON. After selecting the format, click on Next. You will need to enter your Instagram password for verification. Once you enter your password, click Request Download. Instagram will start preparing your data. You will receive an email with a link once your data is ready. Check your email inbox for a message from Instagram. Open the email and click on the download link provided. This link will redirect you to a page where you can download your data. Click the Download Data button to begin the download. Your data will be downloaded as a compressed zip file. Locate the downloaded zip file on your device. Extract the contents of the zip file to access your Instagram data. You can now view your photos, comments, messages, and more. Make sure to store your data securely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.